Who's the first person you busting their ass?
My brother.
Pretty proud of Kev.
He built this car all by himself in his garage. Drop him some love in the comments, please.
Kev used all that tricks on this car.
I like it. It's
My
clean.
boy was on a budget. He did a pretty good job.
Not bad for your first K-swap. I'm proud of you. It's all about the details, baby.
His swap and his work is cleaner than 90% of the cars that I've seen.
Jamie just gave him the verbal tuner. Yo, first case there. You seen the smile on his face? I need you guys to show love to my boy Kev in the comments. He did this K-swap all by himself. If you're watching this video right now, head over to eastcoastimport.com right now to get yourself entered for our OEM Plus build Civic SI hatch.
I love the game. I love the hustle.
Alright, get excited, boys. This is a long time coming for Kevin. Kevin swapped from his LS to a K series. So I'll give you the specs on the car as k20z3 full swap. Everything stock injectors. So you guys back at home can see basically what a stock Z3 makes without AC, without power steering. I'll show you guys the setup. Yo, Kev, you excited, baby?
I'm nervous. What?
You nervous? Yeah, yo, this is his first K-swap. Jamie, you about to turn him out. When was your first K-swap? Are you excited?
It was like 06.
06? How much?
His first K-swap, I didn't even have a license.
How much power you made on your first one?
It was like 220 or something.
So, Kev, stock Z3?
Yeah, everything stock.
Everything stock. What size exhaust?
2.5.
2.5 inch exhaust, complete stock. What clutch?
Stock.
Stock? So it's basically like a full bone stock Z3 with everything that you need to put it on. Our other Z3 made you made 233, Jamie, on our last Z3. Well, I think that car had
That was a fucking freak.
he said that shit was a freak. I don't know, I'm gonna go somewhere in mid twos, like 225. I mean, how much you think he's gonna make?
2.5 inch exhaust?
Yeah, 2.5 inch. 222? Alright, so Jamie says
Say 220.
220. What about J-Rock? How much you think?
It needs a 3 inch. 224.
I'm gonna go 226. 226 for me. I think somewhere in the mid twos. Our last one made 233 with a set of injectors and a fuel pump. Kev's car is completely stock, but there's no AC, no power steering, so I think it'll do pretty good.
Honestly, pretty proud of Kev.
Kev built this whole car by himself.
I told him, I said,
The complete car.
I told Kev, I said, yo, Kev, if you want to bring the car to the shop, we'll help you finish the car up. He was like, nah, I want to finish the car up so I can show it to you guys so we can see his work.
Yo, Kev, you built this whole thing, and I can say that to you by
I'm gonna
yourself.
say this.
Yo, no lift, no garage, outside.
I'm going to say this. His swap and his work is cleaner than 90% of the cars that I've seen put together.
Kev built this car all by himself. No help from none of us here. He literally turned the car on and even drove it to work here by himself. Jamie's gonna tune it for him today. I'm hoping he makes like really, really good power so he enjoys it. And later on he'll upgrade in the future to make more power.
You know what I like?
What do you like?
Kev used all that tricks on this car.
Look at his sweater. It's all about the details, baby. I like it. It's
My
clean.
boy was on a budget. He did a pretty good job.
Roughly
How much did you spend
how
on
much?
the car?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that.
Probably like 5.
5 grand?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
So he sold all his B series stuff and he had 5 grand and put a K swap, a stock Z3 in his Integra. So if you're at home doing this in your car, you can put a Z3 in your car if you do all labor yourself for 5 grand.
This is like a perfect budget build. It came out really, really good. It's gonna make good power. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Got a fucking LSD training.
All right, Kev. Okay, budget bill. I like it. I like it. Should I give you 5 grand for it? I like the yellow calipers on here.
Yeah, I didn't want to do the back. I feel like it too much yellow.
This thing looks good. Give Kev. I need you guys give Kev some love in the comments. He got carbon fiber front. 26 years old, first K swap. That's super, super dope. I need you guys to show love to my boy Kev in the comments. He did this K-swap all by himself. I'm really, really proud of him. Honestly, it took me a long time to do my K-swap in my first garage. So for him to do it within like a month and on a budget, I'm so proud of him. Check out my boy Kev's interior. Everything goes down. You got the yellow spoon, yellow calipers, yellow valve cover, yellow banner. Shit go down, Kev. So first pull, what happened?
Have the wrong VTEC on.
Oh, we just put the correct VTEC sound on here. I think this thing made like 110 wheel without the VTEC. The VTEC is connected now. Let's see what it makes second pull. All right, here we go. Second pull with the VTEC working. Jay was just making sure the VTEC working. You got VTEC, baby? What you say? Your shit felt like a single came before you came in?
My shit felt like a single came before.
Yeah, the VTEC working. 173. Quick fuel pressure adjustment. Went up to 60 psi. So let's see what it does. .202, baby, we working. We working. So 202 wheel just adjusted the fuel pressure. Now just the fueling. I think maybe 1 or 2 more pulls. Sounded good. 201. $213, Kev. He's about to give you a present.
I like that.
He's gonna give you a present. I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. Jamie just gave him the burble tune.
You like that? Okay.
Jamie just gave Kev the burble tune. Kev's final dyno number 213. Not bad, bro.
Happy with it, bro.
Not bad for your first case swap. I'm proud of you. So now you're gonna be ripping off rev limiter.
Yeah.
Who's the first person you busting their ass?
My brother.
He's gonna bust his brother's ass. So 213 horsepower for Kev's car. If you guys are watching the video, K-Series needs a 3-inch exhaust. And to make more power, so Kev's gonna change the exhaust, maybe an oil pump kit, and a set of RDX injectors. Should put them somewhere in like the higher 228, 226, maybe 230. while last one made 233. That's why I always stress the fact that I put a 3-inch exhaust on the K series, set of RDX injectors, a good fuel pump, and if you could, put a Type S oil pump kit. But 213 is not bad for the, he has a 2.5-inch exhaust. He's gonna come back for upgrades, so you guys will see the car again on the channel once he does the upgrades, and we'll see how much power it picks up. I'm gonna end Kev's video here. Drop him some love in the comments, please. He built this car all by himself in his garage. I'm super proud of him. First K swap, 213 wheel horsepower, so that's not bad. How's the first ride in Integra?
This shit feels good as fuck.
Do me a favor on camera real quick. If you got a B series, what to do with it?
Throw that shit in the trash.
Yo, first K series, you seen the smile on his face? Throw your B series in the garbage.